Is it on?
Are we gonna work on this car?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, we are. And we're gonna honk the horn. Helper. Yeah.
You're gonna what?
Honk the horn. I'm a helper here.
Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a BMW.
Slash bad intro.
You're a bad intro. This is the car that I put an engine in, and I think about 8 people watched those 3 videos, but it's back with a check engine light. Runs a little rough, so we're going to diagnose it.
Diagnose!
Apparently he's excited. And then we're going to fix it.
Hello!
And then we're going to be done.
And I'm going to help too.
Who's going to help?
Me!
He's going to help too.
Me too! Josh is obsessed with this right now.
As if fixing cars in a video didn't take long enough, now I have 3 helpers.
And please subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000. Please subscribe.
That was pretty good. All right, so let's start it up. As you can see, check engine light's on. I don't know if you can tell or not. It's running a little rough. Can you feel it shaking? Okay, we'll have to hook up our scan tool and see what it says.
Guys, we have a hook.
Alright, we got our snap-on scan tool hooked up. I've got 3 people asking me questions. And we're gonna go ahead and see why the check engine light's on. What is this? This is a BMW 2004 automatic ID. There you go, it found our car. Go into the engine, codes.
This is a 17-year-old car.
Misfire cylinder 6 and Misfire cylinder 2. Let's see. We can go into data and we can see what ones are actually misfiring right now.
I love you, Daddy.
Love you too, kiddo.
Did you know this is a 17-year-old car?
Mm-hmm.
Is misfiring bad?
Smooth running values in cylinders 1, 3, and 5 are good.
It's shaking.
Smooth running on 2 is okay, and 4 is okay right now, but cylinder 6 is misfiring. When I put the engine in, I put new spark plugs in it, but we did not put new ignition coils in it. So, I'll bet that's what's gone bad.
Are we gonna have to go to the hardware store?
No, we have parts to fix it already. Almost like I already knew what was wrong.
What was wrong?
Right, let's get the hood open, the cover off, and we can swap some coils around it, see what happens. This is what I'm dealing with. Okay, so here we are under the hood. We gotta take this cover off.
Very nice engine.
Thank you, I put it in there.
Wait, what? How much years ago? You've worked
Earlier this year.
You've worked
Pop
on
these
this
off.
car before?
There's one back there, but it's already missing. And then there's a nut in here, 10 millimeter.
Nut.
There's one at the back too, but this was missing. And here we have our ignition coils. In these BMW engines, there's a coil on every cylinder. It goes from front to cylinder 1 all the way back, and the last one on this is cylinder 6 because it's a 6-cylinder. So cylinder 6 back there, this one right here was the one that was misfiring.
I have no idea why.
So if you want to diagnose a car like this, you take your coil out, and then you take another cylinder that was running okay, wasn't misfiring. You can take that coil out.
Put it in.
We'll put this in cylinder 6.
And then put that one, the good one.
And then we'll put the coil out of cylinder 6 that was misfiring in cylinder 4. And we will see if our misfire moves.
Good science.
We're back in here. It's fired up. It's still running rough. Cylinder 6 now is no longer misfiring, but cylinder 4 is. And remember, we swapped those coils. We have a bad ignition coil. and we just happen to have a couple new ignition coils.
You already knew what was going on.
So why don't we throw our 3 new ignition coils in and see if that fixes it. Alright, 3 new ignition coils. So we need to take, we're just going to replace all 3 of the ones on the rear because the front ones are new. So we'll take all these out. These are the old coils.
We don't want old coils.
I think these came out of the blown up engine too. Right, somebody grab these and take them out of the bag one at a time.
Here, Jackson, I'll let you take one. I'll take one. Wait, can I put them in? Wait for Grace. Can I put them in?
You try.
Will these electrocute you? No.
Not right now, not plugged in.
What do they do?
You gotta move the plug under there out of the way. There you go.
What am I gonna do? Them in? Will it electrocute you?
No.
Now can I do one? What one am I doing? Here, Grace, you
Oh, there's 2 empty holes
get out of the back. And then you have to put it
back there.
Put it in the way back, actually.
You can go over to the side and do it from the side.
Grace is gonna need help. I'm not gonna. Oh, Grace. Oh my gosh. See? Okay, put it in the back. I don't want to touch an engine.
Why?
It's hot.
It's not that hot. It hasn't been running that.
There.
Grace, you can't reach that, so.
But that's okay. I was trying to say 4.
I'm at a very awkward angle to reach this as well. Alright, let's start it up and see if it runs any smoother. Clear our codes.
Sounds good. Looks good. I don't feel it shaking anymore.
Okay, well I restarted my scan tool and it's still saying that a bunch of the cylinders are misfiring when I can tell you they're not. So, quality on my scan tools part. But we can exit out of here. And I can show you it's running. We have no codes present, no check engine light, and it's running nice and smooth.
Yeah, we did it.
I forgot to put the cover back on.
Other way. No.
There you go, you guys got it.
Never get there. You will be able to.
Put that on there. Other way, it's gotta line up. Uh-oh.
Oopsies. There.
Did you get it?
Yes, I got it. My bad.
Needs to go on there.
My bad that I dropped that. Grace, you're more responsible.
Yeah, you got it.
You got it.
Just like that.
There you go.
There you go, now we're done.
Good job.
We're done.
Yay! Yay! We're done with top.
We're done. What are you gonna say? Anything? We're done. What are you gonna say?
Please subscribe to my dad's channel. Like and subscribe. And do a thumbs up. We want the plaque on the wall right there. We want the plaque on the wall right there. We're gonna put the plaque right there. Right there.
What plaque?
The plaque, the gold plaque. The YouTube plaque. I'm gonna put it right here on the camera.
Alright, see you later. Well, now that we got the ignition coils in it and it's running smooth, let's start it up and we'll just take it for a little drive around the block and see how it does. So, no more check engine light. It's running nice and smooth. runs a whole lot smoother now. Let's see, we had no check engine light. Check engine light would have been on already. Accelerates nice and smooth. Sounds good. Yeah, I had the thought when I put the engine in that we should probably just replace all 6 ignition coils, but for whatever reason, didn't do it. After it sits outside with a blown up engine that long, you know, things tend to dry out and go bad. So. Really, this is a nice driving car. Accelerates nice, rides nice, interior's in good shape. I believe the engine we put in it only had about 100,000 miles. These engines should go a really, really long time. I had a coworker, I had a 5 series with the same inline 6 BMW engine. And his had 350,000 miles on it when he sold it. Still running fine, he just got a newer car. As long as you maintain these cars and you don't overheat them, they will last you a very, very long time. The inline 6 BMW engine is probably one of the best engines they've ever made. So I guess that does it for this video. It's a short one. Lots of little people running around.
Well, we have more. We're gonna do another car.
Well, we definitely always have more stuff to do, so
we're gonna make another one probably.
We actually have more to do on this car. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you later.
Subscribe to help us eat.
No, they don't.